staying in Paris. To get away from your parents, you look so proud, standing there with a fountain and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. We breathe in the air of the small together. They say we could do anything.